answer the question, tell me about a challenging situation and how did you handle it? And this is how I would approach it in a 5-step process. Project context, conflict and impact, root cause understanding, practical action, and measurable results. Now let me give you an example. In one of the projects, I had a challenging situation between the senior backend developer and the DevOps engineer during an AWS migration. Now the DevOps engineer wanted to implement the CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins, GitHub, Docker, ECS, and CloudWatch. Now the developer resisted because his concern was about containerization risks, secret management database and connectivity rollback strategy, and obviously the production stability. Now instead of treating this as a personal conflict, I treated this as a delivery and technical risk. Now I brought the developer and the DevOps engineer, the QA lead and the solution architect into a working set, and many of them were actually valid. And then I asked the DevOps if they could walk through the pipeline design, and then after the discussion we agreed on a phased approach. First we implemented the pipeline for the devs and the QA environment. We added AWS Secret Manager for credentials, CloudWatch logs for monitoring, and SonarQube quality gates for automated smoke testing, and a rollback plan using previous Docker images from ECR and manual approved gateway before staging. Now this helped the developer feel more comfortable because the technical risks were actually addressed, and it also helped the DevOps team to move forward without blocking the release. As a result, deployment time that dropped from 2 hours to 20 minutes. The QA received the build faster and the deployment related defects absolutely decreased.